What are you guys whining for? You like pianos? Oh my gosh. They're like violins, like, little violins. What are you doing? So many babies. So many babies. Hi, Maddie. So many babies. So many babies.
My smile like.
Okay, you guys run around and play. Oh my gosh, it's like a big harmonic. A big harmonious puppy crying. Oh, the single babies. Oh, the single babies.
Can you lay this blanket down? No, stop. Is Rufus being dominant?
Yeah.
You are Mr. Mean.
Oh, the single puppies.
You're not sweet boy. No.
Oh, hi, little mama.
Ooh, you dum-dums.
He's so cute. Ropadoopus.
I'm gonna lay this blanket on you if you guys don't stop. Dad, take this blanket back. There's one right there.
Just put it down.
Maddie just jumped up.
I saw her. What? What, little one? What?
I don't want to fall on you.
What's on your little cute nose? Got something on there. So many puppies. So many puppies.
Stop, dogs.
So many puppies. Oh, the single babies.
Even dogs. There's a bunch of dirt on this, and the puppies are the dirt. Okay, Maddie. Can you guys please stop? Can you guys stop it, please?
Just lay it out, Luke.
They won't let me lay
That's
it
fine.
out.
You have to cover one up. He'll curl out from underneath it. Just flatten it out.
That's why I don't bring 20 puppies, 10. That dum-dums. He's trying to jump off that.
Oh.
When they're fighting, it's a good time for me to put this thing down. Oh, you stupid dum-dums. Stop. Stop it, you little dum-dums. Oh, watch. Dad!
You jumped at it.
He's like, you didn't, yep.
Oh.
What are you gonna do, Rufus?
Is that Rufus? You...
Punk.